Hello traders, in this video we are going to be reviewing the Scalping Xauusd M1 EA, also known as Xau M1 Intelligent Scalping for MT5. But before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so this is a high frequency gold scalper designed specifically for the M1 time frame. So let's see the claims and what testing showed. So I'll just expand this so we can walk through the strategy. Alright, so from the MKL5 page, ZA is built for aggressive intraday scalping on gold, XAUSD on the 1 minute charts. So you can see here. Right, it focuses on capturing short-term price fluctuations and pullbacks with precise entries. So the strategy uses intelligent logic for high win rate setups while maintaining strict risk management per trade. It's designed with a risk-first philosophy and supports small account trading. The developer stresses the importance of proper parameter settings and disabling grid mode for live trading. So it aims for consistency and discipline rather than massive short-term gains, making it suitable for systematic gold scalping. Alright, so we can see um, some of the screenshots here on the developer site. Let's have a look. You can look at their equity curve. You can see some periods of drawdowns, but then overall it trends upwards. You can see decent gains, and it ended much higher than the initial starting points. Okay, so that's what we have there, and then you can see this. As this as well, there was a profit factor of 1.19 and a balance drawdown of 35.65%. Okay, so the basic features includes its optimization for XAUSD on the M1 time frame, high frequency scalping entries, strict per trade risk management, fully automated execution, and suitability for conservative styles on smaller accounts. The parameters are critical. The developer provides guidance on settings and warns about the need for low spreads and good execution. It's positioned as a focus tool for gold scalpers who want automated precision on the fastest time frame. So we've seen what it looks like on the MKL5 page, but does this actually hold up when put through live testing conditions? So I was able to test this in MT5 using the XAUSD recommended pair on the recommended time frame as well, the 1 minute time frame, for a custom period of 1 year, ranging from the first of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And first of all, looking at the equity curve over the period, you can see it already clearly looks quite different from what we had on the developers page. You can see how we started out and then kept struggling. You can see the kind of zigzag like patterns and it trends downwards. It struggles to gain some momentum and then overall fails with this extended period of drawdowns, which keeps on going along the way even with brief recoveries. But then, especially as we head towards the midpoint, you can see how it's um really has those longer extended periods of drawdowns, and then it tried to pick up some steam around this area, but then ultimately fails once again, then ends up at this point much below the initial starting point. And I think that also reflects in the stats, as you can see, for an initial deposit of $10,000, we had a total net loss of $3,445. So the balance drawdown was 50%, which is quite high, and the equity drawdown was 50.36% as well. The profit factor was below 1, which is not a good sign also. We had it at 0.97, and the total trades taken in the period were quite a lot, 7,008 trades. So those are the results from my personal backtest. So compared to claims of high win rates and intelligent entries, I think success really comes down to execution quality. Those spread ECM brokers are also mandatory. Okay, so honestly, the features that matter to me are tight risk per trade, proper settings, and a broker optimized for gold scalping. M1 gold is noisy, so the logic has to be sharp. So, what are the nuances, implications, and hidden risks of this EA? M1 scalping suffers heavily from spreads, commissions, and slippage. News events can destroy performance. Live results often differ from backtests. Requires constant VPS and monitoring. Not ideal for beginners or those with higher spread brokers. So, who is this actually for? It's for experienced gold scalpers with low spread accounts, good VPS, and the discipline to use conservative risks. It's good if you understand M1 dynamics. You should avoid this EA if you have a small account with average spreads, dislike high frequency trading, or want low maintenance EAs. This is a broker sensitive EA and is quite demanding. So overall, Scalping Xauusd M1 EA is a specialized tool for serious gold scalpers. It has potential in the right environment, but is high maintenance and risky for most traders. Demo test extensively with your broker first. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA you'd like me to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex report from the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.